Yo, first order of the day came in right away. This is for Tonales Donuts and Cream, $9.25 going 4 miles.
Hi there. There you go. Thank you. That was for you for the wait.
Appreciate it, thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good
Okay.
one. You too. Got my next orders as I was in the elevator there. This is a stacked Starbucks, $12 going just about 2 miles.
Are you hungry? We have some extra food.
I'll take anything that's free. Appreciate
Egg
it.
bites and a cheese Danish that we made for someone else today.
Awesome, thank you. Thank you. More free food, huh? First time that the sun has been out in like 3 weeks, so I think people are feeling generous. All right, next up, I've got a stacked Walmart order. This is gonna be $20 going 6 miles. These usually have a bit of a wait to them, so it'll give me time to have my breakfast. Starbucks food review. The kale and egg scramble bite thing, a little bland. Could have used a little bit more salt or something to dip it in. It was all right. And the cheese Danish, surprisingly good. I actually don't think I've ever had a cheese Danish before. Good first impression. Just got my next order. This is for Starbucks. I believe it's at $11 going 3.5 miles. Well, that's not a parking spot, is it? Excuse me. Just got my next order. This one is for a different Starbucks. This is $9 and some change going 2.5 miles.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
Thank you.
Hi. Next order up is for Sherry's. This is $8.25 going 3 miles. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next order up is for Jack in the Box. This is $10 going 3.5 miles. Nope. No siree, no siree. Thank you. There you are.
Thank you.
Just took this Chick-fil-A order, $7.25 going 3 miles.
No, no, I'm about to.
I think they're all here. To those.
Thank you.
Good day, it's my pleasure.
Finally got my next order. This is a stack. Get the f out of the way, dude. Jesus. Got a stack going to the same person. This is crumble cookie and a place called Kung Fu Tea, which I've never been to. Thank you. Thank you.
Somebody bringing cookies.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
Next order up is a Chick-fil-A. This is $12.75 going 5 miles.
Number 108. There's gonna be
Oh,
nothing
down that way.
Hello, how are you doing?
Good, you?
Good, thank you.
There you are.
You're the man.
Have a good one.
Appreciate it.
Oh, nice. Total ended up being $14.25 for that one. Bit of a hidden tip on it. I will take it. Next order finally came in. This one is probably not going to be worth it. Took it anyways because it's kind of slow now. This is Red Robin, $12.75 going 6.5 miles. Thank you. Yep. Straws in the bag?
Yeah, they should
Perfect, thank you. You want some food?
Yeah, man. Good
And a banana and one of these bars.
Thank you. Appreciate it, man.
Well, I haven't received an order worth taking in almost 30 minutes now, so I think I'm just going to be calling it here. Current time is 12:15. Total is 125. I'd say today was pretty good overall. Had some good paying orders, got some free food, not too much to complain about. But yeah, that is going to be it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.